Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Shannon B. Shannon, this is the second console that you send in for our GH service, another E-Series. This one being a 4 gig Corona. This particular console is one of the ones that makes me feel like I really do earn my fee as far as knowing what I'm doing and having done a few thousand Xbox 360 consoles. So, for whatever reason, when we did the original matrix chip muffin install that we've been typically doing on these kind, your console just absolutely would not work with that install setup. So removed it, swapped it out for a Ace V3 out of the new batch that we just got, of which there are chips for sale on store.weekendmodder.com. But then with the Ace V3 install, it's been smooth sailing, peachy keen from there. So using the default timing file on an Ace V3 is for a Corona, but it is not a cr4 speedup technique type file. So if you ever build a NAND for this in the future, you are not going to want to select cr4 checkbox in JRunner. This particular boot seems to be taking a minute. Let me just make sure. Yeah, HDMI is plugged in. So after this one boots, I'll do another one because the last 5 or so boots I did on this console were all like insta boot. So I want you to see that this is out of the ordinary for it to take this long to boot up. Speaking of those Ace V3s that I've got available in the store now, I thought this was pretty cool. The Ace V3 now actually comes with a security code on it that then you go to their checker and you can validate that they're genuine. So these actually do have a little bit of that brown tint to them that are the cafe style, I think. But these are coming, and my supplier assures me, and the verifier double, verifies, and I spot checked like 5 of these. They all have unique codes, they all verify. So I've got a bunch of genuine, good quality Ace V3s. I checked them in Trinities, they're working well there as well. So that's really great. So, okay, at this point, the console hasn't booted, right? This is really abnormal. So if this sort of thing happens, and it will occasionally, it's called a glitch hack for a reason. Basically, all you have to do is just cut power, plug it back in, and then unless this thing makes a liar out of me, like I said, the last half dozen times or so that I've booted it, it's been nearly instant. So let's watch for boot times here. I clicked it. Maybe we call it 2:35. As far as timing goes. There we go. So to 2:55 maybe, so a 20-second boot. So that's darn solid. I think that first one was just kind of an anomaly. We'll do a second one. They oftentimes seem to boot a little faster after they've been powered on once, powered off, and then not had their power cord actually disconnected. So we do have Freestyle Dash Launch, XEX menu, the latest dashboard all on here. There's a backup disk inside the paper sleeve there that has copies of all of those files for you. So let's go ahead and power it off one more time. And it was missing this faceplate when it came in. I assume that you already knew that. Powered off, fan is stopped, so let's go ahead and power on again. And what did I hit? 344, call it. I hit the power button. And to 354, so like a 10-second boot that time. So I'm not lying. This thing is booting fast. Occasionally, like with any glitch chip, you're going to see hung boots. And I'm so certain of that I could reshoot the proof video and edit it out, but that's a pretty normal thing. Let's do 1/3 boot just because I like to be super thorough when it comes to that. I don't want anybody to feel like they're getting something flaky. All right, so power it off one more time. Give it a few moments for the fan to completely stop. All right, and at 4:30, I'm hitting the power button. .430 to 444, so 14-second boot time. Again, definitely working fine. Just probably a case of stage fright. Anyway, I'm being goofy enough, and I appreciate your business. We'll get this thing packed out. You sent in 2 consoles, so they're both going to come back together, and appreciate it. Have a great day, and enjoy.